Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can calculate the difference between two times in C++. Let's get right into it. Firstly, make sure you include IOStream and Chrono at the top of your code, as we'll be needing them for this tutorial. Next, in our main method, we're going to have 6 different integers. So we're going to do int start hour equals 9, start minutes equals 30, and start second equals 0, and we can then do int end hour equals 17, end minute equals 15, and end second equals 30. So, basically, each of these ints represents a different part of a time. We've got the hours, the minutes, and the seconds, and we'll be operating using a 24-hour clock. Now, you could make a structure or use an array. However, I'm going to just be using ints to keep it very simple for this tutorial. After that, we've got 2 lines of code. We've got std chrono seconds, start time, start hour times 3600 plus start minute times 60 plus start second. And then we've got the same thing again, but we do end hour multiplied by 3600 plus end minute times 60 plus end second. So basically what we're doing here is our start time and end time are being created as instances of the chrono seconds class. And these represent the number of seconds since midnight for the start and end times respectively. The time in hours, minutes and seconds is converted to total seconds. Now we're going to do auto difference equals end time minus start time. This calculates the difference between the end time and the start time. The result is a chrono duration variable, which represents the time difference in seconds. After that, we are going to do 3 lines of code. I have decided to hit an enter key after the % sign on 2 of the lines so it can fit on the screen. Otherwise, you'll end up with this and then it's awkward to read. So these are 3 lines, but it looks like 5. But we're going to do int diff hours equals std chrono duration underscore cast std chrono hours difference.count. And then we can do int diff minutes equals std chrono duration underscore cast std chrono minutes difference % mark, which is how we mod something in C++. std chrono hours 1.count, and then we can do int diff seconds equals std chrono duration underscore cast std chrono seconds difference mod std chrono minutes 1.count. That's a mouthful. What are we doing here? Well, these lines convert the difference into hours, minutes and seconds. Duration underscore cast is used to convert the time duration into specified units, hours, minutes and seconds. And the mod operator is used to get the remainder of the time difference after dividing by hours and minutes. Let's say we have a time difference of 7 hours and 30 minutes. When we look at, okay, how many complete hours are there in that time difference, it's 7. There are 7 complete hours and we have 30 minutes left. And that's basically what the mod's doing. It's going to allow us to easily figure out how many minutes we have, because basically we're checking how many complete hours do we have in that time duration, and whatever is left over as a remainder is how many minutes we have in that time difference. You get 7 full hours in 7 hours and 30 minutes, but you have 30 minutes left over. And the mod operator lets us do that. The same can then be applied for figuring out how many seconds we have. Let's say we have a time difference of 5 minutes and 20 seconds, and we want to know how many minutes there are and also how many seconds there are, and to separate them, we can be like, okay, how many full minutes are there in that time difference, which is 5, and then we look at how much we've got left over, and we've just got 20 seconds left over, so that's how many seconds there are. And lastly, we're going to do std cout time difference, and then we can do this line of code here, which is basically us printing out each variable with a string in between, so we can print out our time difference. So let's save our work and hit play. As you can see, it got the time difference correct between those 2 times. So, thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.